Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I want to show you guys today is how to download video from TikTok without watermark. So you want to download, maybe you're watching a video on TikTok and you find the video very interesting and you want to download it, or you want to post it on your social media to make money or to get more followers. So what you have to do is to download the video without watermark, because if you download the video with your watermark and you post it on your page, like, people gonna see like, oh, it's not your content. So what I mean about watermark is like a brand or the content creator name on this video. So you can see like TikTok, whenever you post a video, it automatically puts your name on your video in case if anybody download your video. So that's what I mean by watermark. So for you to download the video without watermark, that's what I'm gonna show you, because you want to use the video to make money, either TikTok or either Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any social platform you want to make money. So it's a process. So I'm still gonna show you how to make money on your Facebook and to get more followers on your Facebook very fast, and to make money from Amazon. So I will show you how to do that with that same video you download without watermark, but it's gonna be an episode. So maybe in my next video I'm gonna show you how to make money with that video, but today I want to show you how to download the video without watermark from TikTok. So yeah, but before we go straight to the point, I want you guys, I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share for other people to see, you know what I mean. And don't forget to click the notification button, because whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified and you will be able to see my next video about how to use the same video I'm going to show you right now to make money or to get more followers from whatever social platform you have. So thank you guys. So I want to take you straight to the point right now. So first of all, if you have a browser or any browser, just open your browser. It might be Chrome or Opera Mini. So you open up your browser. So what you're gonna do, you open your TikTok account. So once you open your TikTok account, you open this. So this second one called ssstik.io. Oh, my bad. So it's xxstik.io. So this ssstik.io, so I'm gonna show you how to make use of it right now. So this is how to use it. You come to your TikTok account, let's search for a video. So one thing like you want to be doing, if you want to make your page like a funny page, or you want to be advertising a product or different products, so just make sure you want to have a specific things you want to be doing. Like if you want to be posting funny video, choose that. So come to TikTok, search funny video that will make people laugh. But if you want to be, promoting different products, so what you're gonna do, you search gadget. So once you search for gadget, so this video has already made by different content creators. So what you want to do, like, you don't want to be spending money buying products and be recommending the products for everybody. How many products you want to buy? So but people already buy different products and make the video on TikTok. So what you want to do, just go straight right there, download their video. Mostly download the video that has nobody face, like this. So this has nobody face, so yeah, you can use that because they don't know, but the video gonna have the content creator names on it, which is called watermark. So this is simply a self fan or whatever, but you don't want that name on it, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's scroll down, let's look for another product. So like this has no picture of the content creator. So just come right here, copy the link. So after you copy the link, you go straight to the ssstic.io. You paste the link right here, then click on download. So in a few seconds it's gonna show up. So this is it right here. So it said download without watermark, download without watermark 2, download without watermark HD. But we don't need that. If you want the voice alone, you download MP3. But what we need, we just need the video without watermark. So click on this first one. You can pay for the app. I think it's 99 cents. $99 cents per, I don't know. So if you don't want the ad to be showing, but you don't need to buy, you know what I mean? If ad show up, just close it. So it has downloaded already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go straight to my download file. Yeah, so this is the video right here. Yeah, so there's no watermarks on the video anymore.
Your Instagram straight to this HP graphic.
Yeah, you can see. So now you already download the video on your computer or on your phone. So you can do the same thing on your phone too. If you don't have computer, like you want to be using your phone. So let me show you where to do it. So I want to show you how to do it on your phone. So it's very easy on your phone. It's the same thing you use on the computer. So you go straight to your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, then you go to your Play Store, you download TikTok video. So you download TikTok video, then you scroll down, it has a specific one. Yeah, so you download TikTok video downloader. So this is it. Like I said, you can buy it, so you can just leave it for free. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my TikTok right now. Then, so I wanna download this video. I go to share, click on the link, then go straight to that TikTok video downloader. You paste the link, download. So it's downloaded already. So what you're gonna do, just go straight to download without watermark. Done. So go to your photo or gallery. So open it up. So this is the video I just downloaded right now. So yeah, that's some video, different video I download. So it's gonna download the video without watermark, then you can post it on any of your social media to gain traffic, to gain more followers, or to make money. But I'm gonna show you on the next video. Just stay tuned. Make sure you click the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be able to, you will be the first one to notify and see my video. So guys, thank you and see you on my next video. Don't forget to click that red button, which is subscribe button, because if you don't subscribe, sometimes the video might not show up. I'm just kidding, it's not sure. But don't forget to subscribe for me, just to keep that energy. Thank you guys.